sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I've been... I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world
Autobots transform.
rising and start a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. Wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent.
El helicóptero rosa reúne a amigos en el escuadrón de helicópteros y salen juntos. Sin embargo, entre ellos hay un malvado helicóptero verde que no quiere jugar con ustedes, así que encuentra una manera de interrumpir su diversión. Al ver esto, el helicóptero rosa inmediatamente presionó el botón para pedir apoyo a sus familiares. El robot gigante aparece y da una lección adecuada al helicóptero verde y a sus cómplices.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Aha! Okay.
아!
Let's go!
어?